So, doing the last part of the ZZR now. Oil pipes, change the oil filter, oil pressure gauge, and then we get the wheels and such on. Obviously, because of the mess up with my arm, I can't do it, so got my mate down here. He loves getting dirty.
Yeah. Dirty and smelly.
Getting near. Very near. Coming on. Coming on. So, just tightening up the last bolts. The Millennium Falcon is...
The Millennium what?
Millennium Falcon.
Millennium Poker.
How am I going to put that on YouTube now with you swearing? That's not good. So, oh, what a journey. 3 months of work, just about to give it a test ride. Well, it's fit. The bike is done. Well, almost. The bike's not been on a centre stand. It's been on jacks and blocks and everything else. So after I took it for a test drive, I parked up and on the test drive there was a bit of a rattle and some of the bolts had not been tightened up, so as always the case. So I did that and then went to put the bike on the centre stand and realised for the first time that the part of the centre stand that you put your foot on had been bent out of shape. So it's almost impossible to put your foot on it. So, I don't know, I'll either straighten it or get a new one. But she just needs a really good clean. But she's back. After 3 long months, sweat and tears and God knows what else, she's back. And so many new parts, it's not even worth listing. But she's back. I'm so happy. I could cry nearly. So instead I'm just going to get drunk tonight. So, no more vids about the repairs to the Millennium Falcon. It's ready to hit the road. It's just now I have to get ready. Although, don't tell the doctor that when I took it for a little test ride around the streets where I live, I didn't feel anything in my shoulder and such. So, shh, don't tell the doc. All right, guys. Happy man again. Ciao.